Today we're going to talk about variation, and variation refers to the way one variable is related to another variable. We're going to look specifically at direct variation. Direct variation is illustrated by the equation y equals k times x, where x and y are variables and k is the constant of variation. This equation illustrates that as x increases, so does y, and vice versa. As x gets smaller, y also gets smaller. The phrasing we're looking for is y varies directly as x, or y is directly proportional to x. When we see that phrase, we know we're working with the equation y equals k times x. Here's an example. A varies directly as b. A is 20 when b is 8. What is A when b is 10? The phrase varies directly leads us to the equation A equals k times b. And that's the first thing you want to do is start with the equation that illustrates the relationship between your variables. Now, once you have that equation, the next job is to solve for k. You're going to use the given information. That's typically the second sentence in these types of problems. In this case, A is 20 when B is 8. So you merely replace A with 20 and B with 8, solve, and we see that k equals 5 halves, or 2.5 if you'd rather use that decimal. Now we're going to use our value of k in our equation so that we can answer the question that was asked. So we start off with A equals k times b. We solved for k, so now we have A equals 5 halves b. And in the problem, it said b was equal to 10. And so we have A equals 5 halves times 10, which gives us a value of 24. So A equals 25.